In 2018, Toyota began its transition from an automotive to a mobility services business. By using AWS, Toyota's mobility service platform was able to seamlessly scale up to 18 billion transactions per month. And the platform only uses 4 AWS services. Which ones? Let's find out. Number 1. Toyota uses Amazon Kinesis Data Streams to ingest data from millions of connected vehicles. Kinesis Data Streams is a serverless streaming data service that makes it easy to capture and store data streams at any scale. Number 2. To process data collected by Kinesis Data Streams, Toyota uses AWS Lambda, which is a serverless compute service that enables you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. Did you know that you can trigger Lambda from over 200 AWS services and SaaS applications? Number 3. To load real-time streams into S3, Toyota uses Amazon Kinesis Data Firehose, which is an ETL or extract, transform, and load service that captures and delivers streaming data to data lakes and data stores. Number 4. For data storage, Toyota uses Amazon S3 or Simple Storage Service, which is a cost-effective object storage service that allows you to store and protect any amount of data for virtually any use case. Did you know that the total number of data and the number of objects you can store in S3 is unlimited? In summary, by using these 4 AWS services, Toyota's mobility service platform is able to offer personalized and predictive data to enhance the driving experience. There you have it. And if you like this video, you're going to love this one.